Hello everyone. So just walked into Dollar Tree. They have a ton of floral here, and I just wanted to share with you the variety of picks that you will find. This Dollar Tree is well stocked with a variety of their dishware. So there's the snowflake printed ones. I love the little dessert plates on a white plate. I just think it looks so timeless. They have a bunch of chargers here, of course, for you to choose from. Also, look at this. These make for beautiful pillows. You don't have to use them as placemats. You can even frame them and use them as like a fabric type display. So the red truck, is it still popular this year? Is it gonna go? Or is everyone into something different? I don't know. So they have the holly, they have the plaid plates that I want to share with you here. The plaid ones, the dessert plates, have sentiments. I wish they did not. If they were just the plaid rim, I would be inclined towards them, but these are cute for Christmas cookies, for Santa's cookies. I'm going around in circles because I don't want to miss anything. And they also have the glassware with the prints. Okay, so this display here has the cute little Christmas trees with the flocking on it. And I think I'm going to cave and purchase one before they're all gone. And then I'm going to say, I should have bought them when I saw them, because that's just the way it goes for me all the time. So I'm buying one today. And they have a few wood pieces here. Aren't these cute? I used one in a display with my gnomes a few years ago. I should pull it out and stage it this year again. They have the gold mini trees. See what's on this side. Lots of felt, and also these little wood pieces. So if you're looking for the angels or the Christmas tree, or like not really a Christmas tree, but and the lights, they're okay. These picks are wonderful. I know a lot of you use them in wreath making. All right, so the back wall is covered in ornaments, but before we get there, I thought I would share some of the signs. I think these signs, we saw them. Yeah, most of them we saw them last year. Nothing really too new here. We'll go and take a look at the ornaments. This is just so satisfying to look at. Everything is perfect order, neatly organized. People haven't just come through and, taken apart the beautiful work that the staff have done in putting this display of Christmas together. I just love it when it's all neat and organized. So let me share some things here with you. One little lone skate boot, so somebody must have bought a few of them. Look at these, aren't they cute? Put some stuff away that way. The next shopper enjoys the beautiful display. Lots of white balls still left. These are selling very fast. So many containers. This is really nice and large, so you can put a pie in it, cookies, an assortment of cookies. If you're gifting cookies, then you have a nice, and they'll sell really fast. And others use these for sure. The lid is like just a hanging lid, and then these ones are more of a snap lid. Super cute. We'll go with the bottom there. And then they have these, the big red and green lid. I like these for trinkets as well. I know that you can serve cookies and all sorts of stuff in them, but I like them for pens like this. I love having my pens sometimes when I'm journaling and things are just organized in here on the kitchen table where I hang out a lot, and I just keep things neat and tidy now. I love this print. Do I need it? No, I don't. But do I want it? Probably. It would be really neat, I think, to put these little embellishments on the top of a Christmas gift. If you have it wrapped in just a nice craft paper or simple paper. I'm actually wondering if I should grab some of these blank little, I always forget the name of these things. Oh, and here's some of the Christmas stuff. This is selling so fast. If you see it and you want a piece, plaid, peppermint print, grab it because they go so quickly. And decisions to be made here. I just wanted to share they have the mini Christmas trees. Super cute. Other goodies here. The picket fences. I know they have the wood pieces as well now. Aren't these the prettiest little bottle brush as well? I love how minimalistic it looks on the little pick or stand. I really do like them, and I think they sold really fast because there were boxes full. These ones light up, and then there's the LED lights, so if you don't want to burn down your house, sometimes it's a good idea to just have a battery operated candle. These are so fun to work with. You can stain it and then put like little white stitching on it to give it that gingerbread effect. You can do that with a few different wood pieces. Lots of ribbon. This one sells the fastest. And the red truck doesn't seem to be moving this year, so I have a feeling that the red truck is not as popular. I think we've moved on to gingerbread styled things. And lots of tulle. Here are picks as well, so you know that there are some that are flocked and then there's some that are more natural as an option. And lots of decorative mesh. I know some of you really wanted to see the boxed Christmas card sets, so I'll go through these and share with you some of the fronts here. So it looks like it's 12 of the same card in most of these kits. I like this one. It'd be so cute. Glittery, even if it's a letter from Santa or something like that. And then they have these money card ones. This is a really great value because anywhere else you're going to pay a lot more for these. Oh, this one is cute. That's going to sell pretty quick. And then there are these. I think this is like a new thing this year. There's 12 in a pack and it's a multi-pack. So it looks like 4 different designs, and actually that's really great. I'll go through these and share them with you. Sorry, the plastic glare kind of makes it hard to see, but these have that moody vibe to them, the dark. My son's 16th birthday is coming up, and so I'm just looking to find, there's new balloon clips here, but I'm looking to find some things that make it just, you know, kind of simple but decorative. I always like to decorate for them for their birthday, and these are a little bit more. These are cute for a girl's birthday. The mermaid theme, there's a bit more. I'm going to have to look in the more simple, just basic colors. I don't think he's going to want any of these. This one's cute, but again, it's a bit holographic. And then they have little tigers. I'm laughing, so I'm like, I should throw him like a little kid party. No, I'm joking. Oh, their rainbow's really pretty too. Again, awesome things here. However, not really what I'm looking for to do his. I don't see any of these hanging. I'm going to have to put it back where I found them. So yeah, I'll just do something simple. You know, not this color, but maybe a couple of these in gold or silver. That's a baby sign. Probably in the wrong spot. No, actually there are baby things here too. I'm gonna grab a couple sparklers to add to the cake. I love this candle. Love it. It's so much fun. And I'll grab some balloons for sure. Let's take a look at the bags. This end cap caught me by surprise. I wasn't expecting this. It's at the very back of the store behind the all of the party supplies. And look at this. I haven't seen these anywhere else. So pretty with the little gems, and look at the flocked trees. I haven't seen these at any other Dollar Trees, to be honest, unless they're hiding somewhere, but I go up and down every aisle. That's my job. I share all the wonderful finds with you guys. Always checking every aisle out. I'm undecided if I should grab one of these. I don't know. I'll do it. Do I need it? No. Does it look cute here? Yes, absolutely. It looks like a little tree farm. And these are interesting. Drink charms. So there's 2 bands in a pack. What is this? LOL packs. A trading card game. I haven't seen this anywhere else. My daughter would have adored this when she was little. Of course, LOL wasn't at any Dollar Trees back then. But I think these are going to sell probably for Christmas. They'll do well. Great stocking stuffer. They have some puzzles here as well. These are, I guess, a landscape style. Really pretty. Different patterns and pictures. Little sum-sums. No! Is this the real Etch-a-Sketch? It is! But anyways, little sum-sums. And lots more puzzles. Lots of puzzles. Monopoly. Some board games. I don't know if anyone's looking for anything specific. I'm just going through here. Cocoa Melon. These are little figure stampers with Play-Doh, I guess. Yeah. What is this? Shapes. Ooh, what are these? See, these are the things that I like to find sometimes. Not anymore. Oh, it's like slime. But back in the day, these are great for little stocking stuffers. So there's 2 options here. I have to share this with you. Uno, go. These are amazing. These are great for stocking stuffers, for travel, for loop bags. Like if you have a party, putting them in a loop bag. Let's take a look and see if there's anything else here that stands out. For Christmas, it looks cute. Almost reminds me of a ladybug for some reason. All right, spinning around over here. There's Christmas stuff. We already went through there. I have to share with you in the kids department that they have a whole bunch of new things, and yeah, I'm excited to share them with you because if you have Elf on the Shelf, they're almost like a go-to need to staging. These are cute too for Elf on the Shelf, but anyways, like a little tea party. They have, look at this, the picnic. How cute. These, the little barbecue, if you want to stand your little elf next to these. I haven't even seen that before, but anyways, I wanted to share the little skidoo. And there's some other things here. All right, a quick peek through the books. I don't know. Everything looks pretty good and organized. There's some word searches. Sesame Street. Cute. Oh, a Mad Libs Junior Peter Rabbit. These are great brain exercise type books. Star Wars, I just want to see what the pages are like. I'm always looking for like a nice, sometimes Dollar Tree really has amazing coloring books. There are novels, hardcovers. I just want to let you know that I will have the second part of this Dollar Tree walkthrough posted tomorrow on the channel. I was in there for a very long time. Thank you so very much for watching, and until next time, everyone, bye for now.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown, red and yellow, soon